Back to episode 5 of Wolf Quest. So today I'm going to be trying to find another mate because Grace wandered off and so I'm just gonna do for this episode I'm just gonna do normal, so it's not too hard but I'm actually going to put in you guys can put in comments of what you want my next video to be. If you want it to be challenging, if you want it to be easy, anything, just put it in the comments below and your comment might be picked. So you can just type in your name down below. Alright, I think I'm gonna want to go downtown today. So, or you know what? Wolf territory is not downtown. So I think I'm gonna go to, I know in my last episode I said I was gonna go downtown, but I kind of want to go see if I can meet some more wolves. So I'm going to go down to the, other place. I can't really pronounce it. Bear Bluffs? I think that's what it says. You guys can tell me if I'm wrong. So I'm gonna go over there and see if I can, I don't know, find another wolf, something like that. And then maybe after that we could have pups after, you know, being together for a while. So let's see if that could happen. Alright, looks like I have to go up one of these hills again, which I don't really like doing. But I don't have a choice, so maybe I can, like, fit for here. I can. Okay. It's a lot more helpful than climbing up. Looks like I'm almost there. So I'm gonna try to find a I don't know, maybe a different colored wolf than me. I don't really want another black wolf because I kind of want to have different colored pups. You know, I actually think the black pups are kind of cute, but I wanted different colored ones. So I think I'll try to find like maybe a white wolf or a brown one, or something on a different color. So let's see what kind of wolf is over here. Oh, a really cool, but it's male, so that's kind of sad. I'm gonna try to protect my territory. Oh, I feel kind of bad for him. But I kind of want to be, like, you know, on guard of... Alright, well, I kind of have to find a female wolf, because that would be kind of... Alright, yes, I know. I'm looking hard. Let's go over here. Looks like I have to cross this, yeah, I have to cross this part. Looks like that wolf territory doesn't even have a name. I'll just call it the wolf territory. Is that a tractor over there? Well, it's a dump truck. And, I forgot what those things are called. They have the scooper on the end. I don't know how I can forget the name of them. I just did, I guess. Alright, am I almost there? No. The black 40. I think I've been there before, but I don't remember being there. I like the music. It's a lot. It sounds like country music a little bit. I like it. I see something in the distance. I don't know what it is. Some sort of bird is nearby. And if you guys are new to this game, there can be predators that try to take your pups, like eagles, hawks, cougars, and coyotes, stuff like that. Bears can also take them, so you have to be on guard the whole time, pretty much. I'm pretty sure most of you know that, but for some of you guys, some of you probably don't, so let's see if I'm almost there. Okay, I'm very close. I have to go up this mountain. I don't really want to chase a rabbit right now. Guys, are rabbits and hares the same thing? I'm pretty sure they are. I think they're just different names. I'm not sure, though. Oh, that was quick. As soon as I turn my, I guess scent button on, I guess that's what they're called. I don't know. I saw the marking, so. Oh, wrong way. Well, let's see what's going on over here. Whoop. I hope it's a female. Please. Yes. But, you know, I think I'm going to, not really accept this wolf because I want one that might be a different color. So I'm gonna leave, okay. But I want to find a different one, so let's go to, this place over here. So let's turn around, and, okay, a little bit over here. Okay, let's go over here now, to the other wolf territory. Okay, looks like it shouldn't take too long to get there. I hope it's, like, that other wolf was really pretty, but it wasn't a girl, so. And I'm playing as a boy wolf, so I don't know how that would work out. Okay, I guess, oh, I love this map. It has such good graphics. I'm pretty sure I say that in every single episode, but it is true. The coyote. I don't know how. I don't know if I have enough energy to chase it off, though. Oh, the music changed. Wrong button. Okay, looks like I'm going the right way. I have to cross this river. Oh. Whoa. Why is the houses in the river? Did the houses flood? Or, am I, okay? The houses flood? Or is this a glitch? Okay, that's very weird. I'm just going to ignore that. I guess I know what the title of my video is going to be. Okay. Is that supposed to happen? Well, looks like I'm, very close to my destination. Oh, goodness. There's a cougar. Whoa. Okay, maybe I could try to chase it off. Where did it go? Where's the cougar? Nope. There it is. Come on, I want to bite you. Nope. Come on. Why are you so fast? Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. Come on. Alright, I think it's too fast for me. I'm gonna try one more time though. There it is, right over there. Try to sneak this time. Where did it go? Oh, forget it. Alright. Looks like I have to turn this way. And the reason why I don't want the two same colored wolves is because, like I said, I want my pups to be different colors. So, that's why I didn't accept that other wolf back there. I have to find the territory. This might be a little more difficult. The other time it was easy, but not this time. Oh, here it is. Please be a girl. Girl wolf that might be gray. Or, I don't care what color, just I want a wolf. It's maybe not the same color as me. Whoa. Am I going the wrong way? I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Let me try going this way? Man, where's this wolf been going? Am I supposed to get up here? Okay, there we go. Come on, wolf. I know you're around here somewhere. You here? Yes? No? I don't know. There you are. What color are you? Oh, please, you girl. Yes! Yes! I think we found our mate. Yay! Finally! Alright, well, I guess that quest is complete now. And all we have to do, I guess, is, be with her for a while, and then we can have puppies. And it's actually a white wolf, like Grace was, but I think I'm gonna name this wolf something different. Like, maybe next episode I'll be deciding names. But actually, I think I'm gonna do it this episode, because, I wanna just, I just want to, accept this wolf. So, I don't know why she thinks I'm going to go away. No, let's hang out. I'm not gonna leave you. Why would I leave you? Alright, I'm gonna start a pack with this wolf, so, I don't know really any names. I can't think of any names. I wish you guys can get me suggestions, but I want to name her this episode. Alright, I'll think of names when it comes up with the name thing. Okay, now I have to think of a name. Let's see here. I'm gonna go with, oh, this is kind of a hard thing to, decide on. Okay. I have a name, okay. I'm gonna name her Twilight. How I'm gonna spell it, how my mouse, I have a mouse in real life. She died. I'm gonna name her after one of my pets. So, I'm gonna leave the area. Okay, you found a mate. Congratulations, you bonded with your mate. Now your mate will, be your hunting exploration partner. Watch the rear view mirror below the compass to see where your mate is behind you. Okay, and you and your mate can continue to explore the Valley of Lost River, but something about this place warns you against raising a family here. I wonder what that's supposed to mean. Alright, so that gave us a clue for something that we will find out next episode, because this is the ending of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I post every single day, at least 2 videos. So, the only reason why I wouldn't post is because if I'm sick, or I just don't feel like up to it, which will really happen. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye. I really have nothing else to say, so, bye.